One last na lang. Are you planning to teach? Kasi tapos na yung...
Yes, I am. When, I don't know. Dahil I'm graduating July 2.
Oo nga eh.
I'm graduating July 2
with flying colors by thesis.
Doctoral degree.
So, Dr. Boy Abunda na.
I can be. No, talagang I can be. But it's not about being called a doctor or having a PhD. But it's an academic achievement. Isang pruweba na kahit sobra tayong busy dito sa ating trabaho, kung gusto mo talagang matuto, masyadong pinahalagahan ko since 2008-9 ang academic education ko na hindi ko nakuha noong ako'y nagkolehiyo dahil hindi naman ako nakakuha ng diploma. Tatanggapin ko, I studied for myself but I also studied for nanay and tatay kasi hindi ko naibigay yung diploma na gusto nila sanang ipakwadro at i-display sa aming bahay. Now I'm happy, and the good thing, this is really rare. I don't think this happens very often. I'm graduating, I'm marching, but I'm also the commencement speaker for the graduation. Yes.
So what do you plan to tell your fellow?
I don't know yet. I'm thinking about what to say because I am aware. I've done a lot of graduation speeches. Kadalasan, hindi naman naalala ng mga graduates, di ba? Kadalasan nga years down the road, people forget, sino ba ang speaker natin ng graduation? So, I'm thinking about what I'm going to do on my graduation day.
I think may honors kayo, Kuya Boy.
Sa ano kasi, sa doctoral,
wala nang...
May grado ang dissertation, pero hindi ko pa nakukuha yung aking final dissertation in its final form. Pero walang summa cum laude, wala. As far as I know, wala kaming ganun.
Congratulations.
But it was hard. It was one of the hardest things I did in my life. Defending my dissertation. It was one of the hardest things I did. 5 oras na hindi ko alam kung matatapos. Totoo yun.
Yung pag-defend mo?
And the writing of the dissertation took me 2 years and a half. Dahil nga, ako'y nagtatrabaho. Hindi naman ako full-time student. Usually, it can be done in 6 months to a year depending on how fast you are in dissertation writing. Ako, tatanggapin ko, kasi bago ka mag-dissertation writing, may presentation yan, evaluation, which is also very tough. Before that, you also have a comprehensive exams kung saan ikay nagtitake ng exams ng 3 araw na mag-isa ka sa isang kwarto at bago ka mag-proceed sa dissertation writing. 2 years and a half, but it was worth every single moment of the 2 years and a half that I spent doing the dissertation. But the defense was daunting, it was tough, it was hell.
So you are now Dr. Boy?
Technically, but I'm graduating July 2. Yes. But I have been declared as one who has successfully defended my dissertation.